Hello everyone. Let's talk about some helpful tools for when to plant seeds for your specific garden. The Almanac website, which is almanac.com, has some helpful tools. You can find out your local estimated average frost dates, which are beneficial for planning your seed starting schedule. You can also use the planting calendar. Enter your location and it provides information by crop when you should start seeds indoors, when to plant seedlings outdoors, and when to start seeds outdoors. The National Garden Association website, which is garden.org, has similar planning tools. Enter your location and you will be provided with your average frost-free growing season dates. Scroll down the page and you will find planting information on specific crops. You can also gather seed planting information from your seed packets. Some provide color-coded maps with the appropriate planting information, and others are more specific on the information that they provide. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe and leave me a comment. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.